yourself.
Hi, this is Jared with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is November 6, 2025. Doing a post-sanitary sewer inspection at the property address of 11514 Southeast Wood Avenue in Milwaukee, Oregon. We entered the existing 4-inch cast iron cleanout and currently have water running. Cleanout's located underneath the front window. There's the front door, and then out on the road, there's the driveway. I'm going to enter the cleanout. When I get down to the bottom of the cleanout, I'll zero the foot counter. Now we'll continue. Here we are in the existing 4-inch cast iron. Rotate the camera. This is the start of our repair. This is transition to 4-inch HDPE. And here we are at edge of property, into the right of way. Here's a clean out. This is 3034, back into 4-inch HDPE. At this point we transition to 3034 PVC. And then here we are at the end of our repair. This is back into the existing pipe. Now I'm going to go down to the main. Here we are at the main. I'm going to pause the video, let the water drain, then we'll pull back.
You know how many videos I used to get with just the water running?
Oh yeah. The whole time?
The whole time.
Huh.
It's like, all right, well that told me nothing, so. I mean, not a lot, but more than a couple.
Looks like it did an error, so I'll have to redo it anyway. So go ahead. Now that I let the water drain, we'll start pulling back. Here we are in their existing lateral. This is the end of a repair. This is 3034 PVC. At this point we transition to HDPE. Here we are at edge of property in the right of way. This is another clean out, back into HDPE. Start of a repair. This is back in the existing cast iron. And here we are coming back out to clean out. Here we are back outside the clean out, outside the residence. This inspection was done with the rigid push cam with the 1-inch lens and no skids. Everything is in working order. This will conclude my video. Thank you.